So basically the complete hoses that you see here, they disappear, no suction block, and there's only one that's going all the way through the spray line, and the return is here, and it's going all the way back to the suction of the pump. Yeah. And then with this, you have continuous flow going to the boom when you're not spraying, and as soon as you spray, the chemical is being pushed this way and through the return line as well to go more quickly into pressure into the boom. Yeah. And then to counterbalance this high pressure circulation, we have individual nozzle boosters. Yes. And we go nozzle bind nozzle. Yes.
And the other thing, I think I read somewhere, can you treat top the range as with the front tank as one sprayer now?
Yeah. Let's say you
you
can do it. There's on the mounted sprayer, we add spinning trick valves here in the middle. And then you have one hose which is connecting what's going from the rear.
So what you see here is machine equipped with the Kverneland twin fill system. The combination of the iXter Pro valve mount and the iXter Pro automatic front tank will take over the operating filling calculation. Simply follow the filling steps on the focus switch terminal at the outside operating station and let the technology spray. When sprayed, use the operator to select which tanks you want to spray from, or select those, the system will take over. Swapping happening between front and rear, while balancing